Have you ever looked at your plants and thought, why aren't you growing like the ones in those beautiful gardens? Don't worry. You're about to discover something truly amazing hiding right in your kitchen. Just 1 spoon of this natural ingredient can completely change the life of any plant. Yes, I'm talking about onion powder, a simple spice that holds incredible power for plants. It's full of sulfur, potassium, and calcium, nutrients that strengthen roots, boost immunity, and make flowers bloom faster and brighter. Here's how to make this magic mix. Take 1 liter of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Stir it well until it's fully mixed. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the natural goodness to blend in. Now, slowly pour this mixture right under the roots of your plants, whether they're flowers, herbs, or vegetables. Repeat this simple step once every 2 weeks, and you'll soon notice your plants looking stronger, greener, and covered in fresh blooms. The sulfur in onion powder acts like a natural antifungal shield while waking up the soil's hidden energy. It encourages new root growth and helps your plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. So next time you cook with onions, remember, this kitchen hero can also bring your garden to life. Just 1 spoon under any plant, and watch nature's magic unfold before your eyes. If you love this tip, hit like, share it with your garden-loving friends, and subscribe for more natural gardening secrets.